Hi, I am Mansi. So I'm doing this educational series with Alan Truman on the science of hairstyling. In a series of video, I'll be taking you all through different techniques of using hairstyling tools and putting those tools to the best use. So let's get started. In today's video, I'll be reviewing one of the Alan Truman's hottest releases, the Hot Pink Styler. It has a digital temperature control and LCD digital display. It has 8 heat settings, 90 to 230 degrees Celsius. Set the temperature according to your hair type. What works for one hair type may not work for the other. So start with the lowest temperature and then gradually increase. It has 1.25 inches semi-wide hand-milled tourmaline ceramic plates which protect your hair from heat damage. This straightener gives you frizz-free styling. You can use this hot pink styler by Alan Truman to not only just straight your hair but also get beachy waves. You cannot get defined tight curls because of the semi-wide plates. It can be used to get loose bouncy waves and curls using roll and flip technique the way I am doing it. You can definitely buy this multi-purpose straightener on Alan Truman's website. Stay tuned for more such content and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!